Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use DeepSeek V3. DeepSeek V3 is a powerful mixture of experts language model designed for efficient interface and cost-effective training. You can access and utilize this model through several methods. First one is using DeepSeek's official chat interface. For a straightforward experience, you can interact with DeepSeek V3 directly on DeepSeek's official chat platform. Navigate to deepseek.com to start interacting with the model. You can ask it about anything like make you a script or a code or just make an Excel sheet for your work. And that's it guys, just head to their website and start chatting with the model to get answers for your questions. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. For developers, DeepSeek V3 is open source. You can find the model weights on the Hugging Face website. Just go to DeepSeek AI/DeepSeek V3 base at Hugging Face. Use it in your own projects, install Hugging Face's transformers library and load the model by this Python commands. You can now generate text using input text hello DeepSeek for example. And that's it. Now you know how to chat or integrate DeepSeek V3 into your projects. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.